Hello, here Mr. Diego. How are you? Everything is fine? Great! Today we're going to talk about how to use this, these, and that, those. Are you ready? Let's start it. We can translate this and these in Spanish as este y esos, and that, those, as ese y esos. We use this for singular nouns, like the person, an object, or an animal near to us, and these for plural nouns, more than one person, two or more objects, two or more animals near to us. For example, this is my wallet, this is my dog, these shoes are comfortable, these are my sunglasses. We use that for singular nouns, like the person, an object, or an animal away from us, and those for plural nouns, more than one person, two or more objects, two or more animals away from us. For example, that is my mother, that is my notebook, those are my keys, those are my pet. Negative form of this is not, and the contraction is this isn't. For these is these are not, and the contraction is these aren't. For example, this isn't my phone, this isn't a cat, these aren't your earphones, these aren't books. The negative form of that is not, and the contraction is that isn't. For those is those are not, and the contraction is those aren't. For example, that isn't a dog, that isn't my phone, those aren't my friends, those aren't birds. Interrogative form. If we want to ask a question, is this, are these, is that, are those. For example, is this your purse, are these my glasses, is that a bunny, are those your parents? Now, we're going to practice a little bit. Complete the sentence if you know the answer. Well, we have finished this class. Thanks for your attention.